Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be finally completing the design of our application for the top section fragment and the bottom section fragment. Now we have the main activity, we have the main activities XML, then also we have the top section fragments XML, and we also have the Java class for the top section fragment. But the only thing which is remaining is the Java class for this file right here, which is the bottom picture fragment.xml. Now in order to add up a Java file to it, we follow the same procedure. So we go under the Java folder, and this is the folder which we are interested in. So we right click on it, go to new and select a Java class, and let's name the class as the bottom section fragment. So we name it as the bottom picture fragment, then hit OK, and the class is going to be automatically created for us. Now the next thing which we do is that the code for the bottom section fragment and the top section fragment is going to be the same. So we simply copy the content of the top section fragment into the bottom picture fragment. So initially we paste the imports here, and the next thing which we are going to do is that we are going to extend this to fragments. So we type extends fragment. Now also we are going to copy the code for the on create. So we simply copy this and you paste it over here. But the only thing which you are going to need to change is going to be this thing right here, which is going to specify the layout. So for the bottom section fragment, you are going to have the layout name for the bottom section. So instead of this, we type the bottom picture fragment. And now once we are done with this, we are pretty much done for setting up the Java file for the bottom section fragment. Now once we are done with this, we go to the main XML file, and to the main XML file we need to add up the two fragments which we have just created. So in order to add up the fragments to it, we go down here and we scroll down right to the bottom, and under this custom we are going to have an option for adding up a fragment. So we simply select it, and it is going to ask us which fragment do we need to add. So initially we select the top section fragment, then we click OK, and then we place the fragment right over here, which is the top section fragment. And if you get an error like this, you simply click this line right here, and it is going to solve your error. And once you have this top section fragment, we could go ahead and add up the bottom section fragment. So to add the bottom section fragment, we again go to this custom and we select a fragment, and this time from the list we are going to pick the bottom picture fragment. So we click it, hit OK, and we mention the place where we want to place the fragment. So let's say we want to place it here. Then finally click this link, and as you could see, the bottom picture fragment has been placed right over here. So as you could see, the bottom picture fragment is not filling up the entire activity screen. So in order to change that, we simply select this, the bottom picture fragment, then we go to properties, and for the layout width, instead of wrap content, we are going to specify 320 dp, and for the height we are going to specify 320 dp as well. And I think that should be a little bit low than 320. Let's say it is 300. So as you could see, now our layout is perfect. So this is the top section fragment which we have created right over here, and this right here is the bottom section fragment. So basically what we have done is that we have designed the two fragments separately, and then we have added them up into the single activity screen. So now in order to check if we have successfully created the application correctly, we simply launch it onto the emulator. So as you could see, our application has been successfully launched onto the emulator, and I think we should have mentioned the height of this second fragment a little bit low. So as you could see, our application has the edit text right over here, then we have a button in the top section fragment, and in the bottom section fragment we have a picture right over here. So basically it looks like a simple layout, but the thing is that we have two activities onto this in a single activity combined by the use of fragments. So it looks like a basic layout, but the thing is that this layout consists of two fragments, the top section fragment as well as the bottom section fragment. And if we enter some text into it, and if we click some button, nothing is going to happen, and that is because we have not yet designed the code for it. And that is because our main intention in this tutorial was to understand the concept of fragments, and how fragments could be used to combine two activities onto a single activity. So we are successful in creating our fragment application. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you understood the concept of fragments and why it is used. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.